On unveiling girl, the world slows down. Gray clouds loom, but there's no need to frown. Wrapped in warmth, in my favorite cozy nook. A cup of hot coffee, a good book. Rain tapping on the window pane. Hot coffee in my hands again. Steam rises, spirits fly. In this quiet corner where I unwind. Drops dance on the glass, a rhythmic beat. The aroma of coffee, oh so sweet. Each sip warms my soul. The rain serenades. In this peaceful moment, all worry fades. Rain tapping on the window pane. Hot coffee in my hands again. Steam rises, spirits fly. In this quiet corner where I unwind. The world outside can't wait, let the storm brew. I found joy in the gray, with the view so true. It's just me and my coffee, a blend so right. Savoring the silence, embracing the twilight. So here's to rainy days, may they come and go. They bring a pause, a gentle soothing flow. With each drop and every sip I take, I'm in my element, wide awake. Enjoy your reflective rainy days with some hot coffee and the melody of the song. The world outside can wait, let the storm brew. I found joy in the gray, with the view so true. It's just me and my coffee, a blend so right. Savoring the silence, embracing the twilight. So here's to rainy days, may they come and go. They bring a pause, a gentle soothing flow. With each drop and every sip I take,